Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this quick and easy drumstick recipe. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss a single recipe from me. All the measurements will be available for you in the description box below. So we're starting off with some chicken drumsticks. I've got about 12 of those, which I've already washed up and cleaned, and then we're just going to go ahead and add those into the bowl. Then we're going to start with our dry seasoning. Okay, so to begin with, we're going to start with just basic salt seasoning. So I'm going to add enough salt, to my preference of course, onto our drumsticks. Then I'm going to be adding some rosemary. You can add fresh rosemary or you can add dried rosemary like I am. Okay, next we're going to be adding a little bit of paprika. Like I always say in all my videos, the paprika is just to give our meat some nice color. It's not necessarily for the taste. Then today I will be using some chicken spice, and the one I'm using is from Robertson's, so you can add a generous amount of that. And then I'm going to add just a little bit of medium curry powder. Okay, and then after that I'm going to go ahead and add some ground black pepper. You can also use the complete ones, which you just crush yourself. Whichever one you have on hand will do the job just fine. And then I wanted to add a little bit of herbs, so I'm going to add some parsley. You can use fresh parsley if you have that on hand as well. And then to combine everything, I'm just going to be adding a little bit of oil. I'm using avocado oil, but you can use canola oil or olive oil. Whichever oil you have on hand will do the job. Then I'm just going to toss our drumsticks just to make sure that all the flavors get equally distributed on each. And once I've completed that process, I'm then going to sit the drumstick aside in this marinade for about an hour. You can do it also overnight, which will be much better, but I only did mine for an hour just to let the flavors infuse inside. Okay, so after the hour, I'm just going to open it up and then I'm going to place it on my baking tray. At this point, you should have preheated your oven to 190 degrees. We're going to be baking at 190 degrees. I've greased my baking tin and I'm just going to be adding my chicken pieces on the baking tin. I would like to request that you take effort in the way you place your meat, because we eat with our eyes first, and that is what I always say. Okay, so now that we've completed that step, I'm going to be placing it in my oven at 190 degrees for about 30 to 45 minutes until my chicken is completely cooked through. And this is what our chicken is looking like when it has just come out of the oven. It's nice and crispy. I've just also added all the sauce that it formed, and I've just added it on top. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss a single recipe from me. Comment in the comment section and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.